Hi, you guys. It's Kiera, aka Mocha, and I'm here to sing to you guys a cappella. D'Angelo Redmond Journeys. This is one of my all-time favorites, and also you can follow me on Twitter at _ I'm up next, and also on Instagram at _ I'm up next, and also I'm Team Follow Back. Okay, here it goes. I want you to lay back and rub your legs, open up your nose, so I'm gonna fulfill all your fantasies, giving you all of that you want and need, and after that, the only thing you want is me. You don't have a clue of what I could do, girl, it would feel so good, me inside of you, screaming don't stop, no, I'm gonna go slow. You ready? Let's go. I wanna go on a journey, go all through your body. Come close to me, fulfill your fantasy. I'm loving hello, so close to me. Can I take you there? Let me take you there. I feel your body on the window frame, calling out, it's your body calling out my name. Girl, you put the sex in sexual, the way you let loose and let your juices flow. I want you to ride it all night, and it's feeling kinda tight. It'll be alright, yeah, it will be alright. Your wish is my command. Let me take my hand. Oh, I wanna go on a journey, go all through your body, come close to me, fulfill your fantasy. I'm loving hello, so close to me. Can I take you there? Let me take you there. Thank you guys. Please watch and share.